Outstanding design defines the 2005 Infiniti G35. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 90,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of an Infiniti are offered, including leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, a power seat, remote keyless entry, and much more. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Infiniti also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.